Last 30 seconds. So we are about to start the run for 10K. And this is one for the gift of life year night, one for a chance independence, because today also happens to be the 126th year Independence Day celebration for our country, the Philippines. Happy anniversary, Philippines. And in 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Good luck, 10K runners. Congratulations for being part in saving a child's life again. Hey, hello. Incoming President Sugiyama, go back and see you in 1 hour. BJ Jobrans, where are you? Thank you again to our sponsors, silver sponsors, Human Chemicals Corporation, Big Blue Logistics Corporation, RK Global, Together Architects, Handmade Incorporated, Third Cebu, Top-End Arena, and Virginia Foods. Thank you also to our major sponsor, Waterfront, Cebu City Hotel and Casino. Hey, sir, 45 minutes, 45 minutes. And our board sponsors, ECYY Sports Hub, Cebu, and Alto Robin Shoe. Thank you also our social media partners, Queen Cebu, Travel and Independence, Cebu Updates by One, Skills and Runners, Cebu Events Blog, Atogita.com, Y Cebu, Cebu PH, Fitness Nation, Dragon, Cebu, and the Cebu Oro. Photography partners, go to the Spider the Flags, Iswan. Just wala ko
Congratulations.
Ay, natili mo. Ay, nagana ko nila ka.
Anong masasabi mo? Almost 2 hours.
Ha?
Almost 2 hours.
Ano pinit?
Almost 2 hours. Pwede. Ano yung medal? Anong masasabi mo? May medal ka?